It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Super Buddy!
Hey everybody, Buddy here is loving his bodyguard.
Once a mild-mannered scientist, the little Bichon worked tirelessly to research a formula named Bodyguard. He discovered that only 1/8 of a teaspoon 2 times daily helps to boost your dog or cat's immune system, while also providing joint support, gut support, and brain support. Bodyguard is also known to reduce or completely eradicate lumps and bumps on your dogs and cats.
We are looking forward to seeing if this works with Buddy.
Bodyguard was created and is manufactured by the friendly and professional folks at PETSMONT.
Bodyguard by PETSMONT is 100% all natural organic and 100% made in the USA.
Bodyguard and their other fine products can be found on PETSMONT.com or on Amazon.
One Bodyguard special coming right up.
We are all really impressed by this product.
Look at this, everybody. This is Buddy, the picky eater, and he's gobbling down Bodyguard. He's loving every bite.
It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's Super Buddy.
It's YouTube delightful little super dog.
Buddy the Bichon.
You're Super Buddy. That Bodyguard must have really made you a superhero, boy. Look at you. You want to go outside and fight criminals? We're going to go outside and fight bad guys, buddy.
Hi Super Buddy, how are you doing, boy?
Where is he, buddy? Where's the Bodyguard? Good boy, buddy. You want some more Bodyguard?
It's Bodyguard.
Stay tuned, we'll let you know how it works with Buddy.
From Super Buddy and myself, thanks for watching everybody. Go buy some Bodyguard. Buddy loves it. Take care everybody.